about the trials I face. Babylon system try to keep I down, but through all the fire and the chase, Jah love keep our feet on solid ground. Solid ground, solid ground. Them push I and them pull I everywhere, but I stand firm like mountain, yes I do. Through the storm and through the heavy rain, Jah protection always carry I through. Jah love is my protection, my protection. No weapon formed against us. Jah love is my direction, my direction. Guide our footsteps through this land, yeah. Through this land, through this land. Every day them try to break I will, but I man keep strong with Jah by eyesight. Babylon the moves can make I kneel in Jah love alone. I'm on fire. See them watching with them evil eye, but I and I know hold the power. No matter how hard them Babylon try, I man stand tall like Zion Tower. Jah love is my protection, my protection. No weapon formed against I stand. Jah love is my direction, my direction. Guide our footsteps through this land, yeah. Through this land, through this land, through this land. Say, listen me now. Our Babylon soldiers gather round, think them can hold our spirit down, but Jah love burn like fire ground. I tell live in righteous way, no force on earth can make I stray. For I and I know the truth today. Rastafari lead, I must obey. Jah love is my protection, my protection. No weapon formed against I stand. Jah love is my direction, my direction. Guide our footsteps through this land, through this land, through this land, through this land.
Sight it clear. Every day the people them cry, but Jah love shine bright and true through all the tribulation.
Walking down the streets alone, watching people struggle alone. Something heavy upon the mind, can't shake this feeling inside. System got them people bound, no food upon them playground. But I and I keep strong still, cause Jah guide I through until. When will Babylon fall? When will it fall down? When will justice call? When will we stand proud? When will people see time to break these chains? When will we be free? Jah love remain. Listen, gotta out. Some say the system's strong, but them wrong, them wrong. For too long we bear this weight. Revolutionary state, rise up, stand up, yeah. Hold it down no more. Truth, the rights at every door. Feel the pressure building now. Change is coming anyhow. Coming now, coming now. Can't stop Jah light from shining through, shining through. Know the truth will see we through, see we through. once you gone, all people have known. I don't own love, no stumble gone. Your love where I just come. When will Babylon fall? When will it fall down? When will justice call? When will we stand proud? When will people see time to break these chains? When will we be free? Your love remains.
Your love where the righteous from. Walk through the valley, each step I take. Feel the pressure, Babylon awake. But still I rise through the morning haze. Shall light upon I and I, light upon I. Shine on upon me today. Light upon I. Shall light upon I and I. Guide I along the way. Every morning when the sun rises, I feel the fire burning inside. Babylon system trying to hold her down, but your love keep us strong and sound. Keep us strong. Listen, you know, when the wicked them come, stand firm in a faith, no run, no run. For I know your love is the key, breaking chains, setting iron up free. Through the struggle, through the pain, your love remain like the rain. No more crying, no more fear, 'cause your light always light upon I and I. Light upon I. Light upon I. Light upon I and I. Light upon I. Light upon I. Light upon I. Light I along the way. Light I along the way. Guide I along the way. Sight the signs in Babylon tower, I tremble and shake. Justice come like lightning in the sky. Your word is fire burning bright and true.
From the east to the west, I sight the side. System running, but them cannot hide. Every day I hear the cries of the people them suffer inside. Watch who the mighty them a fall today. Time come now, no more delay. Truth and rights must find a way. The hour of judgment is no go astray. Thunder roll in a Babylon tonight. Justice come down. Thunder roll in a Babylon tonight. Babylon fall down. Watch the lightning flash across the sky. Justice come down. Babylon kingdom soon goodbye. Babylon fall down. Step by step we march through the fire. Evil forces can't quench your desire. See the wicked them are running scared when the truth and rights be declared. Every stone them throw come back again. Nature teach them lesson in a pain. The lies them tell now wash away. Like rain come down on judgment day. Hear me now, the time is come. Sight, no escape from the truth and right. Just skills them balance everything nice. The wicked must pay them price. Morning sunrise with a brand new day. The chains of bondage fade away. I stand firm in a Jah light, while Babylon crumble in the night. Watch how the righteous them arise. Truth and wisdom open up our eyes. The battle fierce but victory sure. Jah love and justice will endure. Thunder roll in a Babylon tonight. Justice come down, down. Thunder roll in a Babylon tonight. Babylon fall down. Watch the lightning flash across the sky. Justice come down, down. Babylon kingdom soon goodbye. Babylon fall down. On the road, justice come down. On the road, Babylon fall down. Them try won't lie down, but just show her the way. Every day I rise, look to the sky, feel the pressure them bring, but I still sing. Crown on me head, words left unsaid. Through the valley so deep, faith I keep. Breaking chains, Jah love remains. Jah love remains. Breaking chains, Jah love remains. Jah love remains. System try cage we, but we still free. Mountains high we climb, taking we time. Fire burning bright through the darkest night. Lion heart stay strong, carry on.
its prevail, cannot fail. Step by step we move, got to prove. Love is all we need. Plant the seed, watch it grow so high, touch the sky. Breaking chains, your love remains. Breaking chains forevermore.
I'm man tell you about the signs and the warnings. When Babylon think them got we cornered, but just show her the way through the storm. Silent night till the pressure drop. Feel it in my bones, cannot stop. Watch the cloud, them gather high. Nature warning in the sky. The breeze start blow different now. Every bird them quiet, wonder how. The air get thick with promise sweet. Before the thunder start to speak. Thunder roll in the midnight. When Babylon sleep tight. Thunder roll with drum mic. Shake them foundation with the light. Thunder roll in the midnight. Oh, sense and peace, but them bring war. Every step them take just show more. How the system break down, pressure building, ground to ground. Righteous rising. Sound the alarm. Well, if you see I and I standing in the storm, know said this your time. Babylon must transform. Thunder roll in a midnight. When Babylon sleep tight. Thunder roll with jam mic. Shake them foundation with the light. Thunder roll in a midnight.
Them days in Kingston, before I know the truth, when jam music find I.
Just another morning, walking down Orange Street. As past the record shop. Nothing special to why. Then the bass start play through the wooden walls. Some different this time, some grab my soul. Oh, first time I hear the music, shake our soul like thunder. First time I hear the music, Babylon walls come tumble. First time I hear the music, now I and I get stronger. First time I hear the music, your love getting longer. Brother, let I tell you how the rhythm change your life. When the horns them blow, every chain just break. Now I understand what the elders say. Music set life free. Now I never be the same. Whoa, hear me now, youth. Music open up the gates. Every day since then, I give thanks and praise. First time I hear the music, shake our soul like thunder. First time I hear the music, Babylon walls come tumble. First time I hear the music, now I get stronger. First time I hear the music, your love getting longer. Mental slave, we still a hold it down. When I come for break them chains, so Jah love we fight away. Every morning I rise up strong. Babylon system try keep her down, but them can't hold a spirit long when Jah light shine all around. I see the people them suffering, trapped in a mental slavery. I say, rise up and free your mind, for true freedom we have to see. Step out of Babylon chain, break free from spiritual pain. Break free, my brother. Rise up and we Lord, rise up, love tension. Let Allah show you. Step out, break free from them spiritual pain. Break free, my brother. Rise up and know your one. Let your love show you the way. Listen you, I speak to you direct. Many years I walked in darkness blind, but when I open up my heart correct, true wisdom started fill my mind. No more confusion, no more delusion. Stand up strong where you belong. I and I come with words of truth, teaching love and unity. Through your guidance we stay strong. Till all the people them be free. Yes, step out of Babylon chains, break free from spiritual pain. Rise up and know your word. Let Jah love show you the way.
rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up. Rise up, rise up.